Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel for learnings and with the topic padhenge to badhenge. We are currently in the section linear equation. In the initial videos, if you would have seen, I've gone through the linear equation, starting basic of linear equation. The previous videos was on LHS and RHS, and before to that was a trigonometry. So linear equation, some will go with some tricky questions. So 7x plus 15 equal to 4x plus 36. If you see, I have always proceed by step answer. This is step by step going, helps you to solve the problem correctly and accurately. Step 1 is bringing the x terms together. 7x is there, 4x comes this side, plus 4x minus 4x, plus 15, this goes here, 36 minus 15, 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 by 7, x is equal to 7 is the answer. Our next question is x plus 3 plus 8 equal to 20. Okay, we have to take out the value of x. Let's start. So first step is transpose. Okay, transpose means taking here. Plus 8 becomes minus 8. X by 3 is equal to 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 is 12. X by 3 into 12. X is equal to 12 into 3. X is 36 is the answer. The next question, okay, since we have practiced on the top, 7x plus 50 equal to 4x plus 30x, similar question, 4x plus minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 12. 4x will transport, 4x minus 3x equal to 12 plus 5. This is plus 3 minus 5 plus 12. X is equal to 17 answer. This is the step by step. We should, step 1 I have told you how to bring the x term, do the transports. In the last step, if you start doing the practice, see, I have removed the word transport. In a second, I found out the answer. This is how practice makes a man perfect. Our next question is 2 bracket 3x minus 4 equal to 28. We will start doing step by step. Okay. First step is we will bring the 28 down. Okay. That is step 1, divide by 2. 3x minus 4, 28 by 2. 2 1 2, 2 4 18. Okay, now we'll do the transpose. Okay, 3x minus 4 becomes plus 4. 3x is equal to 18. Now we'll divide 18 by x, 3. Okay, 3 6 is 18. X is equal to 6 answer. Guys, I'm doing right in front of you. Okay, so this is what when you start doing practice. My idea is to do the question in front of you and start practicing. We'll go with one more question. 9x minus 18 is equal to 6x plus 24. Okay, we'll break x together. 9x minus 6x is equal to 24 minus 18 become plus 18. 3x, okay, 8 plus 4 2, 2 1 3 42. X is equal to 3 1 3, 3 4 12. X is equal to 14 in the answer. So if you start practicing, okay, if you see my questions, if you come to my videos daily, if you see I go for 3 to 4 5 questions and I practice daily, and that is only I bring to you the different terms. Okay, if you start practicing, you'll grow. That is my idea. Padhenge to badhenge. Thank you guys. Meet you in my next videos.